Hello and Kardom, I'm Merlin in Therapy and you're watching Northeast Karbi Life, the Mirror of Society. Today we have something very exclusive for you as you all have been waiting eagerly to know more about Rengsajer Tikilingpi. Rengsajer Tikilingpi aka Barbie, who has recently made it to MTV Roadies, India's popular reality show. And not only that, lots of people, not only from Karbi Anglong, but the entire northeast of India wants to know more about Rengsajer Tikilingpi, about her background and upbringing. In addition to that, she won black belt karate in the year 2005. That made her the youngest karate. So let's dive into it without any further delay. Let's know more about Rengsajer Tikilingpi, about her experience, about her journey. So Rengsajer, shall we start our interaction session?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So lots of people, not only from our Karbi community, but the entire Northeast wants to know more about you. So how do you feel about it?
Firstly, let me start by saying thank you everyone for showing so much love. And Kardom, Karbiang Long, Tum Tanang Chinghon, Pikan Lo, let's support see, thank you so much. And how I feel is, I don't know how to feel yet. I'm just wishing ki the way that you all are showing me love right now, I just hope it continues. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And can you tell us a bit about your background and upbringing?
The background and upbringing, I don't know. I think my upbringing is shown that I'm very much grounded with my Karbi tradition. As the moment I entered it with my Karbi traditional dress. So I'm a very traditional person. And I also do traditional karate. So that's how my background is, and I have a very supportive dad. And yeah, and I have a very loving family. My sister, everyone is very like kind and loving.
Thank you so much. Can you tell me your parents' name and from where did you completed your schooling and college?
Yeah, so my dad's name is Purnoti Munkiling, and my mother would be Jacinta Hansipi. And what else? I forgot. Kopi Myung.
Can you
Yeah,
tell?
yeah, sure. So I studied my schooling from Don Bosco School and then college from Cotton University.
So how did you start your karate journey and what inspired to take it seriously?
See, I didn't have an option like any other people that I have to take karate like seriously because my dad is my coach. It's not like I have an option. So I was born with it. I have to do it. So that's how. And I was a little bit more serious than other people because like I'm very competitive. So yeah, that's how.
So you are getting support not only from Karbi Anglong but the whole entire Northeast. So what message you would like to give to the people of to the entire Northeast?
I don't know. I'm not in a position right now to say something that sort. But I would surely like to tell you my vision of life. That don't give up on your dreams. Whatever that you're dreaming, just don't give up. Give it a shot. And if that doesn't work, don't stop there because maybe your potential is somewhere else. Don't just stick to one place. Like, that's it.
Okay. So my next question to you is, what inspired you to participate in Roadies?
Oh, that's a very interesting question because I didn't choose to be in roadies. My cousin saw it in me. Her name is Beauty. So
Yes.
let me just give it a shout out to her. And of course, I have known roadies from one of my neighbor, that is Kiri Timong. And yeah, and then yeah, my cousin told me about roadies that yeah, you should go forward to it. Last year, exact like the way that is airing right now, the exact same thing happened last year, and that's the inspiration. And then that's when I started. And like yeah, so that's
Thank you so much. Okay, so my next question to you is, in your earlier interview, in the national television interview, you have mentioned that you didn't told anybody, including your family and friends, about participating in Roadies. So how did your family and friends reacted after you told them that you got selected in Roadies?
See, my GD1 and GD2, no one knows about it. But yes, for sure, I told everyone. I didn't tell them because I don't know. Before succeeding anything, I think you should keep your mouth shut. Because like people, I don't know for what reason, I'm like very secretive about my personal life. So yeah. So and yeah, after their reaction was like, when did you go? How did you do? And how did you end up there? I was like, Karlia or what else should I say? I was like chill about it. Like, let's see what happens.
Question to you is, It's from the viewer side. Lots of people are having confusion about your relationship status and about your sexuality. That earlier in your national TV television that you have mentioned that you have dated
Girls
girl,
and
yes,
boys, both of
boys,
them.
yes,
Yeah.
exactly. So lots of people are asking about this. They are having confusion. So what are your views on this?
Views, if I say about views, I support them, and obviously I'm bisexual, so that is true as well. But yeah, I'm scared of dating girls right now. So that's what I said there as well. So but yeah, my sexuality is that.
Yeah. Okay, so in addition to that, Asa Kirby sees this second person to be part of the roadies, and from a Kirby community, you has brought pride, not only from Kirby community but to our entire Northeast. So a big congratulations to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me, you all.
And also, we have updated about your interview in our news channel, and it hit 1.5 million. So how do you feel about it?
Let me just give a round of applause to you all.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that was a short interaction with Rengsaje Tikilingpi, aka Barbie. On behalf of our new channel, we are wishing you more good luck, more wishes. I hope that you get success. And thank you so much for watching our news, Any Karbi Life, the Mirror of Society. Thank you so much.